Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss numbers, reading and writing of 4-digit numbers, place value and face value comparison of numbers, ascending and descending orders of numbers, greatest and smallest number using the given digits without repetition, predecessor and successor, even and odd number, rounding of numbers. Now we are going to play a game, that is crossword. First, see here some clues are given, that is identifying number. All the numbers are 3-digit number. What is the first clue? First clue is 651. Where we are going to write this? Here 1 is written, that means this clue we are going to write here. Let's see one example. See, 651 is the first clue and we got 651 in one number. Second is largest 3-digit number. Which is the largest 3-digit number? Largest 3-digit number is 999. Where we are going to write that? In this 2's place. See, 999. Like this one is 631. Where we are going to write this 631? Here we are going to write this 631 or 631. Fourth place is already given 111. We are going to write here 111. This is 300 plus 67. Where we are going to write what is the addition value of 300 plus 67? That is 367. Where we are going to write? We are going to write here. Then this is 5 into 100 plus 2 into 20 plus 0. That means the answer will be 500. This is 2 into 20 is how much? 40. Then 540. Where we will write? Here. 540. These rest things I have left for you. You will try it. Now here we are going to learn some fact about numbers. That is place value, face value, expanded form and standard form. First we will see what is place value. How we will calculate the place value? The place value we will calculate with this formula. What is this? The digit. Digit means whose place value you are going to calculate. That is the digit and position of that place value. Let's see an example. Place value of 4 in 456. That means you put in this formula. This 4 you will put where? In the digits place that we have already given. Then this multiplication symbol we have given. Then position of the digit. What is the position of the digit? This is 1's place, this is 10's place and this is 100th place. So obviously we are going to write the position is 100. So what is the place value of 4? See, 4 into 100 is equal to 400. That we got the place value. Now again we are going to calculate the face value. Face value is 4 only itself. The number itself is the face value of that number. Next we are going to learn what is expanded form of a number. See, here we have taken one example, 3465. How we will write the expanded form? What is the place value of 3? That means before doing the expanded form we should learn what is place value. So already we have learned that. So now we are going to write the expanded form of 3465. The place value of 3 is 3000, place value of 4 is 400, place value of 6 is 60 and place value of 5 is 5 because as it is in 1's place. So this is the expanded form. We can write the same expanded form in another format also. That is, see here we have written that. That is 3 into 1000 is how much? 3000. 4 into 100 is how much? 400. 6 into 10 is 60 and 5 into 1 is 5. The same thing only we can write like this also. Both the things is correct. Then how to write the standard form of a number? Already we have learned expanded form. So from expanded form to we can go to the standard form. This is the standard form and this is the expanded form. So when we will ask you that what is the standard form, then what the question we will give? We will give the expanded form of a number. See here I have given the expanded form, that is 200 plus 30 plus 2. That is 232. This is the standard form of this expanded form. Next, here I have given you some task. Find the place value and face value of a number mentioned in the bracket. See, in 3000, what is the face value of 3 and what is the place value of 3? First, in the previous slide only, I have already explained face value is always that number itself. But place value we have to put in this formula. Let's see. 3. So, face value will be 3 only. And in 3000, what is the place value? What is the place value? That is 1000. Like, see. This is the thousands place. So, we will get 3 into 1000. That is 3000. These two things you will do like this. Here see, I am saying, but you have to do it in your homework copy. That is, second one is 7. So, whenever I will ask you what is the face value of 7, the number itself, that 7 you will write. But what is the place value here? It is as 10th place. So, we will write 7 into 10. That is 70. Next, here we will write face value of 1 is 1 and place value of 1 is also 1 as it is given in the ones place. Then next is how to write a number in words. If we will able to convert the number into expanded form, then obviously we can able to write the number into in the word form also. See, like here I have shown you one example, that is 49041 into word forms, that is 49. 49 together if you take, then that is in your thousands place, and 0 is in your 100 place, 4 is in your 10th place, and this is ones place. So how we will write 49 as this number itself, you write 49, then this is 1000, that one you write. Then as 0, we generally don't take 0 face value, so we will omit this part, means we are not going to write this part. So next part what we will write? 4, that is 4 into 10 is how much? 40, that is 40 we have written, and this one we have written here. Now these 4 given you as a homework, you have to do it, but one only I have done for you. See, this is 5,32,101. Like this, these 3 things you will do. This is 6,921, 789, and this is 34,562. Now, words to number. We have learned in the previous slide number to words. Now we will learn words to number. Let's convert a word into number. 2,450. Expand that 2. Then what is 1000? 1000 we have written. 4. Then 100. Then 15. 15 how we will write? 1 into 10, because 15 means 1 5. So 1 into 10 plus 5. That is 2,415. Another example is 4,200. That means 4 into 1000. This 1000 we will write here, 2 we will write here, and 100 we will write here. Then multiply it and add it, that is 4200. These things I have given you for homework. You have to do it. One only I have done for you. 1231. 1231. Now in this slide we will study about comparison of two numbers. Suppose two number is given, how you will compare and how you will show with the symbol that which one is the greatest and which one is the smallest. See, this symbol we call it greater symbol and this is the smallest symbol. We call it greater than, we call it less than. The number which is greater, you will point these two heads to that number side and one pointed head to the smallest number side always. So here this is the greater, so we will write this number is greater than this number. Here the arrowhead is towards the smallest. Always here also see the arrowhead is always towards the smallest. One thing only you remember, because generally when people are doing this comparison, they get confused which one is greater symbol and which one is smaller symbol. So always you remember that this pointed arrow is towards which number, that number is the smallest one. See here also the arrowhead is towards this number, so this number is smallest one. So we call it less than and this symbol is greater than. Now what is ascending order? Ascending order means smallest to largest number. Means if I will ask you that arrange the following number in descending order, that means you are going to arrange the number into smallest to largest. That means first we will get the smallest and the largest we will get at the last. And descending order means largest to smallest. Largest means first we will get the largest number and next we will get the smallest number. So ascending means smallest digit, descending means largest to smallest. You can remember like this, like descending order means decreasing order. Decreasing means largest to smallest. When the numbers decrease from more to less, that is called your descending order. If one word you will remember means obviously the opposite is your ascending. So descending means you remember that it is decreasing, so ascending means increasing. Now it's your turn, so you have to do this as a homework, but one I have done for you. See, this number is less than this number, so this symbol I have given. This means the arrowhead is this side, means this is the smallest number. Here how you will give? You will give like this only, this symbol only, because this number is less than this number. Here how you will give? This number is also less than this number. This number is greater than this number. Now arrange these things in ascending order. Here also I have done one for ascending and one for descending. Ascending order means what I told, that increasing order. That means the largest number you will get first, then the smallest number. See, this is ascending order and this is descending order. Now we will learn about greatest number without repetition. Greatest number means suppose some digits are given, 4 digits are given, then how you will arrange that greatest number means largest number among those digits without repeating the same number. We have to follow these steps to calculate the greatest number. First is place the smallest digit at ones place. At the last place means left side first place, that is your ones place. In a number which one is ones place already you know. In the ones place you place the smallest digit. In the next step 2 is place the next greater. Next greater means which one is the next greater than the smallest number, that one you place in the tens place. Third one is place the next greater, means in the 10th place which number you have placed, from that number which number is greater, that one you are going to place in the 100 place, then the greatest digit at the 1000, means which one is the largest digit, that one you will place in the 1000. Continue this way. Now we will see one example. See, find the greatest number without repetition using the following number. These numbers we are going to place here. First I will say you, then we will see which number we are getting. See here, which one is the smallest number? As you compare it with the first step, this the smallest digit at ones place, that means here you will place the smallest digit, that is 1 we are going to place. Then in the 10th place, the next greater, means which one is the next greater than 1, that is 4, that we are going to place in the 10th place. Then the next greater that we are going to place in the 100, the next greater is your 5, so 5 we are going to place here. The next greater is 8 we are going to place in the thousands place. Let's see, ones place is 1, this is the smallest number. Next greater is 4, next greater is 5, next greater is 8. So which number we got? Largest number 8, 5, 4, 1, that is 8541. Now we are going to write the smallest number without repetition. How to write the smallest number? Place the greatest digit at ones place, then place the next greater digit at tens place, then place the next greater digit at the 100 place, and place the smallest digit at the 1000 place. As we are finding the smallest number, so obviously at the thousands place we will get the smallest number. But in case if we will have 0 in those numbers, then for finding the smallest number, we are not going to place the 0 in the thousands place. Now let's take an example. See here, I will show you how to find the smallest number without repetition. First is 9 is the largest, that is we will place in ones place. Then the next largest number we are going to place in the tens place. Then the next largest number actually 1, but if we will place 1 here and 0 here, then we will find a 3-digit number. That's why only we are not going to place 0 here. We will place 0 in the 100 place and 1 in the thousands place. Okay, so we got the smallest number as 1079. Now is your turn. You have to do this as your homework. Now, greatest number with repetition, means by repeating how we will find the greatest number. Place the greatest digit at 1000 place. Place the same greatest digit of step 1 in the 100 place, and place the next greatest digit at 10th place, and place the smallest digit at 1's place. Now see how we have done it. See here we have 3 numbers, but we are going to form a greatest 4-digit number. So what we will do, the largest number only we will repeat in thousands place and 100 place. Then the next largest is 3, that we will place in tens place, and 1 we will place here. See, 6 and 6 we are going to repeat 2 times. Then we will place 3 in tens place, then 1 in ones place. How we will find the smallest number? Same only, smallest number also. Place the smallest digit at thousands place and repeat the same smallest digit in 100 place also. Then place the next smallest digit at 10 place and place the largest or greatest digit at ones place. Now see an example. See here also we have 3 digits, but we are going to find the smallest 4-digit number. So what we will do, the smallest number that we are going to place in thousands place and 100 place. That is 1 only we are going to place in thousands place and 100 place. See, 1 in thousands place and 1 is 100 place. The next in tens place, what we were going to put 2, and in ones place the largest number, that is 9. So the number we will get is 1129. Now it's your turn. You have to do it as a homework. Now Now we will learn what is predecessor and what is successor. The definition I have given here. See, the number that comes just before another number is called predecessor. Means the number before any number is called your predecessor. The example is 6771 is the predecessor of 6772. Similarly, the successor is the number that comes just after another number is called successor. The first one, that is 5431 is the successor of 5430. It's your turn. I have given 2 examples and rest 2 examples you will do by yourself. See, the predecessor I have given and successor also I have given here. Now we will learn what is even and what is odd. The number I have divided into 2 types. One is even number, another is odd number. Which one is even? How you will know which one is even number and which one is odd number? See, in the even number, at ones digit means in any number, if you will find in the ones place these 5 numbers, then that is a even number. And for odd number, in the ones place, if we will find these 5 digits, then you will get that is a odd number. I have given some examples. See, the ones place is 6. 6 is here, so that is a even number. Here in ones place, what is the number? 2. 2 is here, so it is a even number. In ones place 0 is there, 0 is here, it is a even number. In ones place 8 is there, 8 is here, it is a even number. How you will find which one is odd? Odd means these digits if you will find in ones place, then that is odd. See, 1 comes under odd. 3 comes under odd digit. 5 comes on odd digit. 9 also comes under odd digit. Now we will learn how to rounding off a number nearest to tens. Rounding of nearest to tens, to get that we have divided from 0 to 9 number into 2 parts. That is, one is from 0 to 4 and another is 5 to 9. If in the ones place we will find any number between 0 to 4, that means including this 0 and 4, then it will rounding off to 0. And if we'll find 5 to 9 in the ones place number, then it will rounding off to the next digit. That means tens place will replace. See here example I have given 234. The ones place is 4. So we are rounding off to 0. See, 0 to 4, 4, we have rounding off to 0. But here 8 means it comes under 5 to 9. 678 in ones place we are getting 8. So it comes under 5 to 9. So we will add 1 to 10 digit. That is, see, 80 we have done it. The next place we will go. Okay. Now rounding off to nearest to 100. This one also we have divided into 2 parts. But here we are going to see that 10th. If the 10th digit is from 0 to 4, tens and ones digit to 0. That means, see here example 2337, as it is 37, as we are going to 100, so it is above 49. That means it is not 50, it is less than 49, so we will make it 0 0. Here also, if the 10th digit is 5 to 9, change the tens and ones digit to 0 and add 100 to digit C. Here 79, that is it is more than 50, so we will change this one as 7. It's your turn. First is find even and odd. Let's see which one. One only I have done for you here. Then rounding of the nearest digit 10, this one also I have done. Nearest to 100, 1 also I have done. These things is given you as a homework you will do by yourself. Thank you for the video, and you are watching the video. Go through the video carefully to get more clarification about the chapter. Go through the summary, go through the lesson of the book and complete the homework. And if you have any doubt about the homework given for you, then you can put that in the comment box. Thank you very much.